everyone, raise your hand if you have ever snoozed through a slide full of boring bar charts. Today, I'm teaching you how to transform those dull 2D charts into stunning visuals in seconds, using the PowerPoint tricks even pros forget. So, let's get started. Here is a general 2D bar chart. We show the monthly sales by region. I will show you steps by steps on how to transform it into a 3D cylinder chart. So, first, let us convert this chart into a 3D chart type first. Okay, then let us change it. Okay, so now just click on this bar and then we select Format Data Series. So here you can choose either you want a pyramid or you want a full cone or partial cone, but for now I would like to have this cylinder. So once we have select, then we can change the color. So I can change this color first. Example, I would like gradient fill. Change it to be in this color. Then I go to the top here. So for this also gradient fill. Later we will change the background. So now I just change this one first. Or maybe 50%. Okay, so next we need to change the background so that it's easier viewing. Change in black and this. I'm back to something I'm talking. From direction. Okay, then we can change this to be what? This one may be blue and okay, this is not clear, so I can change. You can play around with the color. Maybe I would like to add one more color. Green. Okay, you can play around with the color, and for easy viewing, we would like to remove this axis. So we can go to the chart design here and remove the grid line. And I would like to add the data label. Okay, so we can choose no field, no line, but I would like the color to be white. And also we no need the category. So same for this and maybe this is a product A and this is product B. So we are done. So just in a few clicks and your data now looks visually engaging. Now let me show you another example. So let's say now we have another 2D chart which track the lipstick sales by different popular shades. So other than the normal bar like the pyramid or cylinder, we can also change this bar to icon or picture with just a few clicks. Let me show you. Okay. So before that, we need to insert the picture first. So let's say now I have this. So let's say now I have this lipstick. So I would like to change the bar to be represented by the lipstick. But before that, we need to crop this image first so that it is in the size. Okay. Make sure you crop it first. Okay. So very easy, you just click on the lipstick, then we copy, Ctrl C, then you click on the bar and Ctrl V. So now your bar is represented by the lipstick. Or because now, you see now we have actually different color. You can also change this color. So example, example, this is the color of the lipstick. So what we need to do is, I need to scale down first. So total there's 6. So I just need to copy and paste 6 times. Sorry, it's 5 times. Yeah. So all is with the same size. Then we crop one by one. make sure you need to crop to the full size of this dipstick. This is one, then we crop this one. We need to ensure all 6 is with the same size. Okay, so then now we just need to change it one by one. Example, I select this. Okay, so I just Control C. Then I select this and Control V. So same for here. I Control C, then Control V. So the third one, the candy pink, Control C and Control V. So same for here, Control C, Control V. Okay, and we are done. And then now you can amend this chart accordingly to make it more visually engaging. Example, if you like to put any data label, then you just do this. So maybe I would like to format the background. We can also change this headline color. Let's say we want it to be a bit dull, so you can change the transparency. Then we need to adjust the width. Okay, of course, we need to switch this one together, but color. Okay, we are done. So, this works for anything you can do with the wine bottles, pen, batteries, and other items which match your content accordingly. So, now, do you want more chart heads? If you need more chart heads and more infographic ideas, please sign up my Udemy course on Master PowerPoints where I will show more infographic tricks and turn your presentation into a visually engaging slide. Please click on the Udemy link in my bio or description below. I will see you there.